Hey everyone, welcome to my first video here on my channel, Sweet Art Crafts. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. So today I'm going to show you how I made these galaxy-like resin charm pieces, and I just want to note I did do a clear layer of resin and then put in my stickers, and I allowed that to dry for a few hours before I got started doing the galaxy colors. Here I'm showing you guys the colors that I'm using for my galaxy pieces. The first color that I showed is a black with iridescent glitter that shows up green in person and on camera. And the next color is a creamy white pigment. This color that I'm showing now is a fuchsia pigment. The next color is a very dark purple, almost black pigment. And the last one is a purplish blue pigment that has glitter. Here I'm starting off with the black resin, and I'm trying to keep it on the sides of the bottom and the top sides of the piece, because I want the galaxy effect to go kind of inwards, even though some of the pieces didn't end up looking like that, but it's okay because I still think they came out really good. Now I'm going in with the deep purple color, and I'm putting it right alongside the black, and you guys want to work really quickly because the resin starts to come together very fast, and you want to be able to get in all your colors. So now I'm going with the purplish blue color, and then right after that I'm going to place the fuchsia color, and then I'm going to quickly get that white color and put it in the middle of where the fuchsia is. After I've done the first layer, I'm going to go into with a second layer with the same colors in the same exact order that I did before. Now you just want to repeat this process on the rest of the charms. As you guys can see with the piece that I'm working on right now, that it didn't come out exactly how I wanted to as I was placing down the resin, but I still went with the flow with it, and I still think it came out really good. So I just wanted to let you guys know that resin is all about having fun, so don't get mad when it's not going the exact way that you want it to go, because you just live and you learn, and you'll learn more with more experience, and I'm still learning, so I still make mistakes. Now I'm using my blowtorch to pop out the bubbles with the heat. This is a very important step because you don't want your pieces to have holes in it because of the bubbles. Just be very careful with this. Okay, so now it's been 24 hours since I poured the pieces. You guys want to make sure that you wait enough time, at least 24 to 48 hours, before popping out the pieces, because you want to make sure that they become very hard, because if they're sticky, they're not going to come out and it's just going to be a mess. And I've had that happen to me before, so I don't want you guys to have to go through that. So I'm very happy with the way that they came out, and I think they came out even more beautiful than I had expected. So yeah. So the next few pieces were very hard to get out of the mold, which I should have expected since this is a mold that's not necessarily made for resin, especially since it's really thin. But I just want to make you guys aware of that it does happen, and this has happened to me before, so don't freak out. And I'm still very sad about it. RIP to my mold. I could still use the rest of it, but this part I can't, which is pretty sad, but yeah. So here's a last look at the resin charms. These will be made into keychains and pins that I'll be listing on my Etsy very soon, so make sure to check out the link down below. Also, comment what kind of crafting videos that you guys would like to see me do next. Also, make sure to subscribe and like, and see you guys in my next video.